So I'm running a real estate agency and I collect the lead details using Google Ads. And I want that all the lead details should be organized into a single Google Sheet. So to do this, I've set it up this automation where whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, automatically the details of that lead will be added into my Google Sheets. And in this video, I'll show you how you can also set this amazing automation by yourself. For that, you have to open Workflow Builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. This means that you can add up to 100 of lead details for free, and yes, this is true. Not only this, once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can purchase our Pabbly Connect lifetime offer. Our Merry Christmas sale is going on. Further, if you wish a heavy discount on your plans, a discount coupon code is attached right over here, which is RITPC. You can also use this amazing discount coupon to get a heavy discount on your subscription plan. But first, try Pabbly Connect, and if you like it, then you can definitely use this coupon code to purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. So yes, we are on the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Google Ads. So let's search for Google Ads and we're going to select it. For the event, we have to select it as new lead form entry and click on this connect. Now you're going to see that we have received this web URL. So let's copy this web URL and open our Google Ads campaign. So first of all, you have to follow this help text step by step in order to connect Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. You first have to create a campaign inside Google Ad and add a lead form in this campaign. And using this lead form, we're going to create a connection between Pabbly Connect and this Google Ads campaign. So what we're going to do is we're just going to use this lead form. For that, we have to scroll and select this lead delivery option. Over here, you're going to see the option to enter the web URL. So simply paste the web URL which you copied from the workflow. For the key, enter the key and click on this send test data. Once you click on this send test data, it is saying test data sent. So open your workflow, but still it is saying waiting for webhook response. But now you're going to see that we have successfully captured the response, which is the test data. You're going to see the city, the phone number, you're going to see the email, the name also. Now we're going to add this real estate lead details into our Google Sheets, but not manually, but by using Pabbly Connect. But first of all, you're going to see that these are test lead details and not from the campaign I am running. So what happens is that while connecting this, you will capture the test lead details. Now you have two options. The first option is you can create this amazing automation using the test lead details only, and it is going to run perfectly fine for your real leads too. The second option which you have is that you can click on this recapture webhook response and wait until you receive a real lead. But for that, you have to make sure that your campaign is in live mode. So if you wish, you can definitely click on this recapture webhook response and wait until you receive a real lead. But to save a time, you can also use the sample lead details and add them into Google Sheets, and it is going to run perfectly fine for your real estate real leads too. Alright, so I'm just going to click on this add new action step and let's add these real estate lead details into our Google Sheets. For that, search for Google Sheets right over here as the action application and select it. For the event, you have to select it as add new row and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Once we click on this sign in with Google, we have to select the Gmail account with the help of which we want to build this connection. After selecting the Gmail account, Pabbly is going to ask us for some permissions. So click on this allow and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for. Because your data is 100% safe and secure with us, no need to worry. After creating this connection, what you have to do is you have to simply enter the details of your lead in this Google Sheet. But before we enter the details, we have to select the spreadsheet right over here. So I'm just going to select the spreadsheet, which is real estate leads. So this is the name of my spreadsheet and this is the name of my sheet. So we're just going to select the same spreadsheet and the sheet right over here. Then one by one, we're going to enter the details of our leads so that we can add them right over here in our Google Sheets. But we're not going to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we're going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So one by one, I'm just going to map all the details. You have to make sure that you only map the string value. After mapping these details, click on the save and send test request, and you're going to see that we have successfully received the positive response that we have added these details in our Google Sheets. So let's open our Google Sheets, and you're going to see the details have been added. Be it the name, be it the email, the phone number, or the city, all the details are added. Not only this, now whenever I'm just going to receive a new detail from this Google Ads campaign, automatically the details will be added right over here. And like this, I can automate the lead capture for my own real estate agency. So go and try this amazing automation for your own real estate agency, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I've attached the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below too. You can check that out too. Further, we have many automations on real estate agencies, so you can also check that on our YouTube channel. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.
So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.